Okay, I'm going to show you how to install a square column cover. This is the one to the left here is the outside column. The one in the middle here is the inside column, and the two cleats that are going to be required to install that. And in the front of the cleats are the 20 fasteners. These are self-drilling fasteners, corrosion resistant, cadmium plated, with a square drive. These are the tools that I'm going to be using: a spacer so we don't overdrive the fasteners for the outside column, a drill, a nut driver, a hand nut driver, and a step ladder. This is the column that we'll be capping over. Notice it is a 4x4 aluminum base column supporting the upper deck, and attached to that is a downspout which provides a drainage for the ceiling from the upper deck. That's why we have a narrow inside column to cover the downspout portion, and then to make it a 9x9 square column, so that we're able to cover over the slate portion. Okay, this is what the finished column is going to be looking like. As I described earlier, on this side, we're covering over the downspout first. We're creating a 9x9 column, and this is what the finished look is. Okay, we have the attachment bracket. We're going to line it up with the back edge of the 4" by 4" column. We're going to be attaching a screw into the column first by pre-drilling a hole close to where the clip angle or where the back column is going to be attaching to. And then we'll be attaching a screw. Utilizing our nut driver. Okay, I've finished fastening the clip angles. I have 4 fasteners approximately 2 foot apart. Now I'm going to install the back side of the column. That's going to be covering the downspout. It's a very tight fit. Now it's attached. It's sitting over the top of the clip angle. We want to be over the top of the clip angle so that we don't have too much, do not have a reveal when we attach the other front side of the column. Now we go to the other side and we attach the clip angle on that side. I've already pre-drilled 2 holes, so we have that properly aligned. We slide that in behind the clip angle. We slide behind the back column angle for the back column post. Insert a screw. And insert another screw. The back column on each side. Drill a pilot hole. Do not overdrive the screw. There we go. And to continue that up on the side on each side of the column. At this point, I got the fasteners in. The back side is all attached. I peel the masking back from what's going to be in between, and then I'm going to set these screws to the right depth. I take my nut driver out of the automatic one and put it in a screwdriver type, and then I set the depth. I use 2 pieces of 032 aluminum taped together. So that gives me a depth of about 0.65. Since my aluminum cover is 0.50, so I leave that set back so now I can attach the outside cover. All right, I peeled the masking off of this here, which is going to be up against the back cover. The holes are keyhole. The bigger one is on the bottom so that it slides down over the screws that we have set over here. Okay, align the outside edge, hold it up about 1/2 inch, up as far as it'll go, and it should fall right inside, so we can let it drop right down on both sides. So I can use that to hold it up, line up the edges, push it into the keyhole on both sides. Alright, once you got it lined up, let the keyhole slide in and then slide it down and boom, voila, it's tight, done.